The Dornier Libelle 1, also known as the DOE, was a compact and versatile seaplane designed to operate in aquatic environments. With its 3 seats and the ability to land and take off from lakes and rivers, it proved to be the perfect means of exploring even the most remote and difficult-to-reach areas. The folding wings and all-metal structure gave the seaplane a perfect blend of practicality and innovation, while the fabric-covered control surfaces and the rear part of the wing paid tribute to aviation tradition. The first flight took place on August 16, 1921. Inside the hull, located beneath the wing, there were 3 seats, 2 front ones side by side with dual controls, a rather rare configuration for the time, and a 3rd seat behind them. The hull, with a flat keel, was divided into watertight compartments to ensure buoyancy even in the event of damage. On the sides, there were the classic Dornier sponsons, but what truly set this seaplane apart were the steel skis integrated into the keel. Thanks to them, it could take off and land on snow or ice-covered surfaces, offering a versatility that was rare for the time. It was powered by a 55-horsepower Siemens Halske Esch-4 radial engine mounted in a tractor position with a 2-blade wooden propeller. This allowed it to reach a maximum speed of 120 km/h. A new version was also created, the Libelle 2, similar to the previous one but with a longer nose to better protect the crew from splashes. The wingspan was increased by 1.3 meters, while the dimensions of the occupants remained unchanged. The big novelty? More powerful engines? The Lady C Cirrus 3 4-cylinder inline engine and the Siemens Esch 11 radial engine, both producing 85 horsepower. In total, between 1921 and 1929, 16 examples of the 2 versions were built, most of which were exported to countries like Sweden, Brazil, New Zealand, Australia, Japan, and the Fiji Islands. In 1922, Dornier developed a land version of the Libelle 2, called the Spatz. It differed only in the fuselage, which no longer required splash protection. Instead of sponsons, a landing gear with rubber suspensions was mounted. It was fitted with a Bristol Lucifer 100 horsepower engine. Unfortunately, after a test flight in 1924, the plane was damaged and no more units were built. The Dornier Libelle marked an important step in the evolution of light seaplanes. Compact, versatile, and surprisingly advanced for its time, it saw use across several continents and anticipated solutions later adopted in future designs. Years later, the same principle, a light aircraft capable of operating both in the air and on water, would be revisited in the Dornier S-Ray 007, developed for different purposes, but conceptually linked to that tradition. We will take a closer look at it in an upcoming video.